Welcome to our part 12 of our quick start tutorial on TextBlob using Python. So we are going to discuss on how to do parsing on a text. Parsing helps us on analyzing a sentence in terms of grammatical constituents, maybe identifying the part of speech, syntactic relations. It's just a simple step on how to do so because it involves just calling one method on the blob we are going to create. Then we call the parse method on the text. Then it will print the parse of the text. So this is the text we are going to use in the text blob created according to the text defined above. So we are going to call the parse on the blob. So we can just print it directly. Print blob dot parts, and we can print to see the output. So the parts of speech I had explained on our video. On the part 2 of our series on TextBlob, I had explained and shown the some of the list on of the tags used on parts of speech. Let's see the list. This is the list of tags. These are the tags used to explain a word. For example, the foreign word is FW. Those are the tags. So on this, on what we are printing, we are using the part of speech, the syntactic relations. That's how you get the of the above to get the grammatical consistency of the words. So, and that's all of the part of the video on parsing on TextBlob. Thank you.